I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this.
Alright then, people of Beer Vibes TV, and I have to say this again, you know what I mean? I'm the Grizzly Bear, and I have Beer Vibes. Miss Kitty, you're full of Beer Vibes. Cause from the beginning of your career, you come out of the business, you make the fluffy D for them know, say, here what go on. Build up your confidence. You can be more than you are, you know what I mean? Don't make sure you have a little weight. It's like you can't do anything or you can't be a part of anything great. So, Miss Kitty is a great example, you know what I mean? And a role model for a lot of females out there. So, me no know if a April Fool or All Fool Day or what early, but the 26 something year, that work, Miss Kitty. Me no know boy, but it a work. 26? Yeah, you look so damn fresh, so clean. Then she come out in her colors, them, you know, I like that. You know what I mean? The top what she have on, I'm like that white, something there, you know what I mean? In such an angelic form. Miss Kitty, yeah. One of the hosts and magnums also. I mean, she hosts whole heap of show, whole heap of entities and thing, and she do a good job, you know? She do a good job. So, me no know, for her birthday, for All Fool Day, she just want, you know, get with her friends about the 26th at work. And then silver, you know what I mean, is a powerful element and entity, which is a earth element, and it's powerful because it stand out. And no matter what, always a shine. Miss Kitty, that's what me a go on. Picture get me, it hit me. And, you know, true African princess, cause, you know, unge punge, make her rise in African queen, rise up, you know what I mean? Yeah, and the vibration just nice. The hairstyle hot too. And then her face, round and pretty, plus the smile, her cheeks them up. And you can see so there's never a dull moment. My Beer Vibes fan them, Beer Vibes TV followers, the people them way, I look out for the trending elements and the trending topics and, you know what I mean? What talent of half in the world, Beer Vibes TV, they have to bring it to you. You know what I mean? Bring it to you. I'm say bring it to you. We get down to the gritty. You know what I mean? Come like when I drink some juice and the beverage nice. You see me? I drink some beverage and it does nice. And when it done, it's like, you know, I want it for done. Come like some food too. When you eat it, the flavor, the spice. I think about the chef and I said, John, the chef put him all in it. I saw it nice. My people, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. All through, big up yourself too, you know. Yeah, man. Miss Kitty, 26, that work. Beautiful. She's 26 real, you know, to me, you know what I mean? Because honestly, me never know her age and she just pop up on the scene. When she pop up on the scene, she would have been 19, you know, them young, fresh 19-year-old they were just left out of school and thing, you know what I mean? And them entrepreneur real ethics up. So she just shoot out in a society right away. 26. Yeah, mama, you go on. I love it. Why? I'm just imagine all when time you're 62. You know, look nothing like, Go and take care of yourself, yeah, mama. La 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 la.
I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, I be vibes in this.